Hi, welcome to Karnataka LMS. I am Latarani HM, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Government First Grade College, Kernagra. In this session, we discuss about the topic Cauchy-Riemann equation in polar form. In the previous class, we discussed about CR equation in Cartesian form. Now, in this class, we learn about the CR equation in polar form. The CR equation in Cartesian form for the function u and v are given by, we already know this CR equation. This CR equation is in the form of Cartesian form, that is because with respect to variables x and y. Therefore, these are called as the CR equation in Cartesian form. What are the CR equation in Cartesian form? Dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y, and dou u by dou y is equal to minus dou v by dou x. Now, we shall obtain CR equation in polar form from this Cartesian form. How to obtain CR equation in polar form by using this Cartesian form? By putting or by changing the x variable to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. See, this is the Argand diagram. In xy plane, let P be any point on the xy plane. Here, P of z. What is z? Z is x plus iy. X and y represent the which form? X and y represent the Cartesian form. We know that the polar form coordinates are r and theta. Now we cannot put x is equal to r and y is equal to theta directly, because we cannot write p of r plus I theta. Therefore, we are by using x substitution. What is x substitution? R cos theta, and by using y is equal to r sin theta, then we find p of r comma theta value. That is the polar form. Now, we discuss about how to find the polar form of Cartesian, polar form of the CR equations. Here, this is the theorem. Here, prove that or find the Cauchy-Riemann equation in polar form, or prove that dou u by dou r is equal to 1 by r, dou v by dou theta, and dou u by dou theta is equal to minus r, dou v by dou r. These are the equation of the CR equation in polar form. Let us see the proof or answer. Let r and theta be the polar coordinates of the point whose Cartesian coordinates are. What are the Cartesian coordinates? The Cartesian coordinates of are x and y, and its polar coordinates are r and theta. Then we can consider x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. In the previous classes, in Argand diagram, we know the relation between Cartesian form to polar form. What is the relation? This is the relation between Cartesian and polar form. By using this substitution, let z is in a complex number. Therefore, z is nothing but x plus iy. Now, substitute x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to what? R sin theta. After substitution, here we can take r as a common function. Take r outside, remaining is what? Cos theta plus I sin theta. Now, this cos theta plus I sin theta can be written as e power I theta. Hence, z is equal to what? Z is equal to r into e power I theta. Here, f of z is an analytic function. F of z is an analytic function means f of z is equal to what? U plus iv. Now, this can be written as u plus iv is equal to, here we already find out the z value. What is z value? R into e power I theta. Now, substitute this here, where in the function of z can be written as function of what? R into e power I theta. Here we interchange. First we write u plus iv and then we write f of z. So here u plus iv is equal to f of z, where z is what? Z is a r into e power I theta. Now treated this as a equation number 1. Thus, u and v. See here, in the previous classes, u and v is expressed in terms of x and y. But now, today in this class, u and v expressed in terms of which variable or which coordinates? R and theta. Now differentiate one with respect to r and also theta, because what are the variables here? R and theta. In the Cartesian form, x and y are the variable, here r and theta. Therefore differentiate one with respect to r and theta. Here also we are applying the differentiation partially. First we are applying with respect to r. Differentiation of LHS, that is dou u by dou r plus I into dou v by dou r is equal to differentiation of f with respect to r is f dash, then differentiation of the bracket function inner terms r into e power I theta. Among these two, which is the constant? E power I theta is the constant, write as it is. Differentiation of r is 1. And now differentiate 1 with respect to theta. LHS becomes dou u by dou theta plus I into dou v by dou theta is equal to differentiation of f is f dash, right bracket function. Now apply the differentiation for this bracket function. Among this, we are applying differentiating with respect to which? Theta. Therefore r is a constant, right as it is. Differentiation of e power I theta what? E power I theta into I. Now that can be written as I into r into e power I theta. Now see here, I into here, comparing these two, what is the RHS here? E power I theta into f dash or e power I theta. Now here, what is the RHS? Here also same thing, extra function is I into r. Now I into r, e power I theta f dash r e power I theta. That e power I theta into f dash r e power I theta can be written as dou u by dou r plus I into dou v by dou r. Now substitute f dash r e power I theta into e power I theta is equal to this term. Then we get IR into dou u by dou r plus I into dou v by dou r. Dou u by dou theta plus I into dou v by dou theta. Wait. Here dou u by, now multiply this one, I into r dou u by dou r plus I into r into I, that gives I square. I square can be written as minus 1 into r dv by dr. So we write that one, minus r dv by dr plus I into r dou u by dou r. Now comparing the real part and imaginary part in this case. Which is the real part in LHS? Dou u by dou theta. Here real part is minus r dou v by dou r. And what is the imaginary part here? Dou v by dou theta is equal to r into dou u by dou r. This can also be written as, we can rearrange this equation. We can rearrange this equation, because in the Cartesian form we write dou u by dou x is equal to and dou u by dou y. So similarly we can also write in polar form also. Here u is a function of which variable? R and theta. So first we write r value, dou u by dou r, this can be, okay. Dou u by dou r is equal to 1 by r into dou v by dou theta, and dou u by dou theta can be written as minus r into dou v by dou r. These are the CR equation in polar form. It is very important, because CR equation in Cartesian form and CR equation in polar form can be used in the analytic function. Now one more definition. Here, see here, dou square phi by dou r square means dou square means represent the second order partial derivatives. We already seen the second order partial derivatives in the Cartesian form also. In that case, we also call as the Laplace equation. Laplace equation in u and v. Okay, Laplace equation and u and v means a harmonic function. Harmonic function means what? Here we have the harmonic function in Cartesian form and also a polar form. What is the harmonic function in the Cartesian form? A function F satisfies the Laplacian equation, that is called as an harmonic function. What is the Laplacian equation in Cartesian form? Dou squared f by dou x square plus dou squared f by dou y square is equal to what? 0, because Cartesian means x and y coordinates. Here what are the coordinates in polar form? R and theta. Here also we discuss about the harmonic function in polar form. That is dou squared phi by dou r square plus 1 by r dou phi by dou r plus 1 by r square dou squared by dou theta square is equal to 0 is called two-dimensional Laplacian equation in polar form. Therefore, this phi is called a harmonic function in which form? In polar form. Okay. Now, another theorem. In this theorem, in the first theorem, we find the CR equation. In this case, we have to prove that the Laplacian equation in polar form. Okay. If f of z is equal to u plus iv, where u and v are the function of r and theta, is an analytical function, then show that u and v satisfy the two-dimensional Laplace equation. This one is also called, otherwise this problems can also be written like that. If f of z is equal to u plus iv is an analytic function, then prove that, or then show that dou squared u by dou r square. See here, this is the equation of Laplacian in u and also v. Okay. Dou squared u by dou r square plus 1 by r dou u by dou r plus 1 by r square dou squared u by dou theta square is equal to 0, and this is the harmonic function of u in polar form. This is the harmonic function of v in polar form. Let us see the proof. We have the Cauchy's equation in polar form. Just now we derive the CR equation in polar form. What is the CR equation? Dou u by dou r is equal to 1 by r into dou v by dou theta, and dou u by dou theta is equal to minus r into dou v by dou r. See here, by using this CR equation, we can prove the Laplacian equation. See, observe the Laplacian equation. In the LHS, what can we see in here? Here we see u can be differentiated with respect to r twice. Here we already have the first order derivatives, and so we are applying only the one more derivative. Dou squared u by dou r square means we can differentiate dou u by dou r with respect to r. Therefore, and also observe here, dou squared u by dou theta square means what? Dou u by dou theta can be differentiated with respect to which variable? Theta. Therefore, we can differentiate this equation. We can differentiate these two equations with respect to r and also theta respectively. Respectively means first we differentiate this equation with respect to r only and this equation with respect to theta only. Now differentiating the first equation with respect to r partially, we get, see here, now differentiating the first equation with respect to r. With respect to r partially, we get dou squared u by dou r square is equal to. Now see the RHS. What is the differentiation of RHS with respect to r? Here 1 by r is a function of r and v is also a function of r. Hence we are apply the product rule. Second function dou v by dou theta into differentiation of 1 by r is minus 1 by r square plus 1 by r into differentiation of dou v by dou theta with respect to r can be written as dou squared v by dou theta into dou r. Call it as equation number 1. Again, differentiate second one. Differentiate this equation with respect to which variable? Theta. Because of the LHS here, dou squared u by dou theta square is present. Therefore, differentiate second one with respect to which one? Theta. Hence, dou squared u by dou theta square is equal to. In the RHS, we can see two terms. Among these two terms, minus r is constant for theta. Therefore, write as it is. And differentiation of dou v by dou r with respect to theta is dou squared v by dou r into dou theta. with respect to theta, not r, this one. Now equation 1 becomes, we can rearrange the equation 1. Dou squared u by dou r square is equal to minus 1 by r square dou v by dou theta. By using the CR equation, what is dou v by dou theta? Dou v by dou theta, because here in this equation LHS having only the independent variable u, not v. Therefore, among equation 1 and 2, we can replace v, the variable v or the function v, in terms of u. That's why equation 1 can be written as this dou v by dou theta. Dou v by dou theta can be written as r into dou u by dou r. R into dou u by dou r. So r into dou u by dou r means 1 r is get cancelled, remaining is minus 1 by r dou u by dou r plus, okay, plus 1 by r dou squared v by dou theta into dou r. Here we cannot use anything, so write as it is, okay. And so this is the CR equation in polar form, okay. Equation 2 can be written as, what is equation 2? This is the equation 2. Here in the equation 2, observe here we have dou squared u by dou theta square. Coefficient is what? Coefficient is 1 by r squared. Therefore, multiply equation 2 by 1 by r square. Okay. Multiply equation 2 by 1 by r square because of the LHS of this equation. Okay. 1 by r square into dou squared u by dou theta square is equal to minus r divided by r square, can be written as minus 1 by r dou squared v by dou r dou theta can also be written as dou theta and dou r. Now adding this to equation. When we are adding, what you get? Dou squared u by dou r square plus 1 by r square dou square u divided by dou theta square, which is equal to, now adding the RHS. In the RHS, see, these two are the cancelling because these are the opposite sign. Therefore, this term and this term will be get cancelled. What is the remaining in the RHS? Minus 1 by r dou u by dou r. Minus 1 by r dou u by dou r. Now shift minus 1 by r dou u by dou r to left side. Then we get dou squared u by dou r square plus 1 by r dou u by dou r plus 1 by r square dou squared u by dou theta square is equal to 0. Hence, the first condition is, means u is a harmonic in which form? R and theta means what? In polar form. Okay. Thus, u of r comma theta satisfies the two-dimensional Laplace equation. Otherwise, u of r comma theta is a harmonic function in polar form. Now, by differentiating the first CR equation with respect to theta and second with respect to r, then we can show that dou squared v by dou r square plus 1 by r dou v by dou r plus 1 by r square dou squared v by dou theta square is equal to 0. Means first CR equation is differentiate with respect to theta. In this case, we differentiate first CR equation with respect to u and the second one with respect to theta. Here we can change. We can interchange first equation with theta and second with r. There we get the v is in a two-dimensional Laplace equation. Note, here we have the some formulas. Some formula means in the Cartesian form, if f of z is an analytic function, then differentiation is exists. Okay. What is the differentiation formula for the Cartesian form? F dash z is equal to what? Dou u by dou x plus I into dou v by dou x. Similarly, here also in the polar form, if f of z is an analytic, then CR equation is satisfied in polar form, and also differentiation is exists. That formula is nothing but, see here, this is the formula. F dash z is equal to e to the power of minus I theta into dou u by dou r plus I into dou v by dou r. What is the f dash z formula in the polar form? f dash z is e to the power of minus I theta, e to the power of minus I theta dou u by dou r plus I into dou v by dou r. This is the differentiation formula. And second one, if u or v is given, we can find the other part using CR equation in polar form. Okay. In the Cartesian form also we construct the analytic function and also we find the conjugate. Okay. If u is given, then we find the v. How to find v? By using the total derivative formula. Here also we can apply same thing. One is by using CR equation in polar form. Otherwise, alternative method. What is the one more method? Is method 2. Method 2 is nothing but Milne-Thomson method. What is the Milne-Thomson method in the Cartesian form? In the Cartesian form, x is equal to what? X is equal to z and y is equal to what? Y is equal to 0. Here, x in the place of x we take r. Okay, r is equal to z and theta is equal to 0. Okay, if f of z is equal to u plus iv is an analytic function, then the differentiation f dash z is equal to e power minus I theta dou u by dou r plus I into dou v by dou r. This is the differentiation formula. One more note is there, that is if u is given, then we find the v by using two parts. One is by using the CR equation in polar form. Otherwise, one more method, that is Milne-Thomson method. Milne-Thomson method means we are putting r is equal to z and theta is equal to 0. In the Cartesian form, x is equal to z and y is equal to 0. Don't confuse here. Here r is equal to z means r means x. Okay. Here theta is equal to 0. Now we move on to the problems. First problem, find the analytic function whose real part is r plus 1 by r times cos theta. Here given is real part. Real part means u is a given. Let us consider u value. Then find the analytic function means f of z is an analytic function means u plus iv. Here analytic function means it satisfies the what? CR equation. Here u is in terms of polar form means r and theta is present. So r and theta means we can find the CR equation in polar form only. CR equation means differentiate u with respect to which? R and theta. Differentiate u with respect to r and theta, we get dou u by dou r is equal to cos theta is a constant, right as it is. Differentiation of r is 1 plus differentiation of 1 by r is minus 1 by r square, and dou u by dou theta is equal to dou u by dou theta is equal to, here r plus 1 by r is a constant, right as it is. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta, minus sin theta, and f of z is analytic means f dash z is exists. F dash z means what? Differentiation. What is the formula for differentiation? E power minus I theta dou u by dou r plus I into dou v by dou r. E to the power of minus I theta dou u by dou r plus I into dou v by dou r. Okay. Here given is real part. In the differentiation formula, we have dou v by dou r. By using CR equation, dou v by dou r can be written as, here by using CR equation, dou v by dou r can be written as minus 1 by r dou u by dou theta, minus 1 by r dou u by dou theta, because dou u by dou theta is equal to what? Dou u by dou theta is equal to minus r into dou v by dou r. Therefore, dou v by dou r can be written as minus 1 by r into dou u by dou theta. Now substitute the dou u by dou r value and dou u by dou theta value. What is dou u by dou r? 1 minus 1 by r square cos theta plus I into 1 by r, because here also minus becomes plus r plus 1 by r sin theta. Now apply the Milne-Thomson method. Milne-Thomson method means put r is equal to z and theta is equal to 0 in the above equation. F dash z is equal to e power minus 0. What is e power 0? E power 0 is in a 1 into 1 minus 1 by z square. What is cos 0? Cos 0 is in a 1 plus I into 1 by z, z plus 1 by z cos 0, sorry, sin 0. What is sin 0? Sin 0 value is in a 0. 0 into this term is 0. Therefore, we get only f dash z is equal to 1 minus 1 by z square. Now, integrate. Integration of f dash z is a f of z is equal to integration of 1 is what? Z plus minus 1 by z square. Shift z square to numerator, z to the power of minus 2. Integration of z to the power of minus 2 what? Z to the power of minus 1 divided by minus 1, that is minus minus get cancelled. Z to the power of minus 1 can be written as 1 by z plus integration constant c. See, this is the solution of the given real part. If u is equal to r plus 1 by r into cos theta, its analytical function is z plus 1 by z plus c. This is the answer. We move on to the second problem. If the real part of the analytic function is r square cos 2 theta minus r sin theta, find the corresponding imaginary part. Here we find the, here they given the real part. Okay. By using this real part, we find the corresponding imaginary part. Means we have to find v value. Hence, here we are using the alternative method, that is total derivative formula. Otherwise, by Milne-Thomson method also we can find the imaginary part. Compared to this, total derivative formula is a very easiest method to find imaginary part. Okay, let us see the answer. Let f of z is equal to u plus iv is the analytic function. Given is u, that is r square cos 2 theta minus r sin theta. Differentiate u with respect to r and also theta. Differentiation of u is dou u by dou r is equal to, here cos 2 theta constant, write as it is. Differentiation of r square is what? 2r. Minus sin theta, write as it is. Differentiation of r is 1. And dou u by dou theta is equal to, r square is in a constant, write as it is. Differentiation of cos 2 theta what? Minus sin 2 theta into differentiation of this inner angle. What is the differentiation of 2 theta? Differentiation of 2 theta is 2 minus r into differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. Here f of z is analytic. Okay, f of z is okay. Here we find only the imaginary part. Here we not find f of z value. Here we find only imaginary part v. Therefore, v is in a imaginary part. Hence, by the total derivative formula, dv is equal to dou v by dou r into dr plus dou v by dou theta into d theta. In this case, given are u, dou u by dou r and dou u by dou theta is there. By using the CR equation, dou v by dou r and dou v by dou theta can be expressed in terms of u. By the CR equation, dou v by dou r can be written as minus 1 by r dou u by dou theta, and dou v by dou theta can be written as r into dou u by dou r. By using CR equation, this equation can be written like that. Okay. Now substitute minus 1 by r. What is dou u by dou theta? Dou u by dou theta is minus is in a common function, take outside, and r is also a common term, take outside. Minus r divided by minus r, that is plus 2r sin 2 theta plus cos theta into what? dr plus r into, now substitute dou u by dou r. What is dou u by dou r? Here 2r cos 2 theta minus sin theta into d theta. Simplify. After simplification, we see here 2r sin 2 theta cos theta dr plus r into 2r cos 2 theta minus sin theta into d theta. Now apply the integration. In the Cartesian form, we know how to apply the integration. How can we apply the integration for this? By using the exact equation. In the exact equation, integration of m dx plus n dy, in the m means in this case in the dx coefficient y is a constant. Okay, here in r and theta, which is the constant? Theta should be a constant. Here in the d theta coefficient, in d theta coefficient, n does not containing r, does not containing r. Otherwise, the terms independent of r in n are in d theta coefficient. Therefore, see here, we write 2r sin 2 theta plus cos theta. This is the m. We can treat this as a m. In this case, which is constant, theta is constant. Now, this d theta coefficient can be treated as n. In the n, it is a independent of r terms. In the Cartesian form, what we write? Integration of m dx, where y is in a constant, plus integration of n dy. Integration of n dy, n, the term n is independent of x. Independent of x. But here x means here r. Therefore, here 2r sin 2 theta plus cos theta into dr plus. In this case, it is a independent of r means the r terms are 0. 0 into this function as a 0. Therefore, 0 into d theta. Now, apply the integration. 2r sin 2 theta is a constant, right, as it is. 2 into sin 2 theta. Integration of r is what? Integration of r is r square by 2. R square by 2 means 2 cancel. Remaining is r square sin 2 theta. Plus cos theta is a constant. Then integration of dr is r into cos theta plus integration constant. See, here integration of 0 is again 0. Hence, this is the value of, or this is the function of the imaginary part. These are the exercise problems. Thank you.